Hey, this is Tim at Drone Command Live. I want to thank everyone there for preparing the seminar. I was a teacher for 10 years and in real estate for the past 6. So I've been to so many meetings and seminars. Some had lots of content, but were really boring. Some lacked content, but were exciting. This seminar has both. It's packed with content and it's so far very exciting. I don't know how you're going to do this in 3 days. I'm definitely going to leave wanting more. So as a teacher, thank you for your preparedness. It's great to be here. And if I could go back in time and tell myself anything, it's just to be make sure I'm here. But thankfully, I don't have to. So excited for the next couple of days of this seminar. And thank you again for being prepared in this. And I'm going to learn a lot. Thank you. As a former teacher in the public school system, I sat through so many meetings and seminars, and I've never been more impressed than I am at the Drone Command Live event. Our presenters here have remained energetic, captivating, and informative. They definitely understand the need to not only provide relevant content, they are also able to teach the material in a way that the information just sticks. They're not just saying, do this, 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 you'll be successful, but they teach the why and the how so that we as entrepreneurs are armed with skills and knowledge to adapt to our own unique situations. They do break down the stats, but it's so much more. It's definitely not a one-size-fits-all industry, and their presentation is not a one-size-fits-all program. So they've also included common pitfalls that we may experience. At the same time, they are instilling confidence to deal with the minor failures and bumps in the road that we know will happen. For me, this is exactly what I needed to gain traction in the drone and photography business and real estate. Not only that, but they have set up a pathway to other vertical markets. The only problem is I won't be able to sleep much the next few nights because of all the excitement you've built up in me. So thank you sincerely, Damon and Diego. You certainly gave me the tools and motivation to get out there and build a successful business. Thank you.